You asked, how to divide 16,807 by 5 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 16. 16 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 16 minus 15 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 18 minus 15 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. Bring down 7, making 7. 7 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. The remainder is 2. The final result is 3,361 remainder 2.